improve on this trip down the floor. Nice fake on the three, pass back out, passing up the good look from two to upgrade to a triple. Three-point shot for Bahrain to take the lead. Tonight it's coming from shot clock winding down, isolation offense, one more pass, three-point shot, perfectly played by Bahrain again. Okay, really spreading the floor on the offensive end. Back out, three-point shot, they're creating good looks for Bahrain, that time an earned pass. They'll keep on coming, keep on moving, keep on shooting, especially from long range. An incredible shooting. It's another three. It's another three. Slipped in this time. Again, it's beautiful play from Bahrain, dizzying the defense. Bahrain now, who were flooding the basket, now on a drought. But if in doubt, for Ahmed Haji. And then the turnover, long pass down the floor. He's going to take the three in transition and he puts it in. Of it. Instead, back to the dead-eye shooting from downtown from Ahmed Haji. So confident to pull up for the three on the fast break with no... Bahrain have now got 11 of them. And there's that shot, a perfect 10 of 10. He's tied the 32 that Mosti Rashid had against Syria in the pre-Olympic qualifying tournament in Damascus. And how about another?